Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and today I'm showing you one of my projects that I did for a client, and it was all about a website copywriting. Website copywriting shortly means the content for website pages, including the landing page, about us page, services page, contact us page, and so on. For this client, as he requested me to write down the content for 3 of his website pages, so I am delivering the work to him. What you have to do, you have to just add the text that is already suggested by the Fiverr, and you have to upload your work, and make sure to upload the work in 2 files, that is PDF and in the Word document, when you are submitting something like related to website copy or something, okay? Because it also gives the layout and sample to the Fiverr when client reviews your order, okay? So here I am showing you the work I delivered to this client. Here is the landing page. As you can see, all the sections very nicely done, okay? And whatever is needed on the landing page is there. Make sure to add every detail so that client can pick whatever he needs from the text. There is about us section, and this one is the page, and here comes the services page, okay. So make sure that whatever the client asks you, you have all the requirements in hand before starting work, because every business is different, and whenever client is requesting you to write a copy for his website, it means that you must understand his business properly and then write it, okay? If you have any questions related to website copywriting or website content writing, you can ask me. Thank you.